My name is Heather Brantley. I am a CTE web communication teacher in East Texas. So what I'm doing is what I do in the classroom all the time. I have a BenQ board in my classroom and I use it all the time. I use it because I can watch my students leave my classroom and I can see the screen at all times, right? Okay, so we're gonna play a game. So you have your phone. One, did it do that? All right. So if you have not joined, you can scan the QR code. Okay, so what we like about Curipod is Curipod has it to where it's protecting your students. Your students do not have to put in their name, their email. There was no sign in, just putting the code in. It gives them a name. As a teacher, I can go in here and see, and it has to keep going. But I can see who is who, so I know who is who. I can still moderate it. I can keep things safe. Okay. All right. Notice that I went off of the login page, but guess what? It's still there. If a student gets kicked off the internet, if something happens, it's right here. Even better, a kid who was late for class can come join in at any point right here. So to draw it, the rules. Okay, you're going to have as many right answers as you can in 4 minutes. Each correct answer draw gives 1 point. For each score you get, you can earn a rank. And I'm going to show you what that looks. Not allowed to write any text. Okay, so you get to have like a lot of fun with this. Okay, so here's our ranking, and we'll come back to it so you can see it a little bit. So like, there's a lot of levels. It's not 1, 2, 3. Draw a picture of your dream vacation, right? It's summertime. This is what we're going to be thinking about, is our dream vacation. Consider your location, the activities, the companions, who's with you, landmarks, weather, colors that represent your ideas, getaways. So the more you get to your picture, the more points you get, okay? So you can be creative, or you can just give me the basics. Just have fun with it, okay? I just want you to have fun. All right, so notice on your screens right now, it's telling you to watch. Look up. So the QR is the pen. When you do that QR, it's designed specifically for that lesson, okay? So, but as I go through lessons, and we'll see that in just a minute, how it changes over. There. All right, here we go. Look at what's happening on your screen. All right, so it ended, and now it's time for you to look up. So now I'm going to give feedback. So AI is built in. It's examining your picture. Notice what it's doing on your screen at the same time. Okay, so it should be giving you your feedback. So scroll. It's going to tell you your points. So go through and look at your feedback. Look at your points. It's going to give you an AI-generated report on what you just did. So as a teacher, I would have to individually grade each picture, right? In just seconds, Curipod made it possible for their artwork to have a little critique to it. So any questions at this point? So Curipod works. It's web-based. It is done, like I'm using it today. I like to do everything whole group on my BenQ board. So I use it on my BenQ board. But the Curipod booth can help you get set up on an account. You can have a trial account. There's a free version, and then there's like an upgraded version as well that has a lot more benefits to it. So if you'll visit Curipod booth, they'll be able to help get you set up on that account. And right here, Ellen is with Curipod. She's here today to help with any questions on that. All right. How many points? Where were you at? Okay, you ready to tell me? Y'all remember your number? Okay, so it gave you a number. She's like, I thought we were done. We're never done. We're never done. All right, here we go. It's going to ask you to put it in so the students can read their feedback, and then this is what we can share with the class. And what's great, there is a timer on here, but if everyone in the class finishes before the timer, it will shut it off. So there's no time wasted. I really like that feature, but somebody may have put their phone away. And it'll count it down. Okay, so say while I'm doing this, by the way, if I want to make notes to my students, I can come in here and I can use the tools on the board to also make notes as I go. I noticed that all of my kids are awesome down here, and we like that. So, hold the palm, if I can get still, clear it out. I can also screen record as well. So if I'm doing the lesson, and when you're screen recording, it's not recording me, it's recording my voice. I can put a mic in right here. So if you're trying to do a lesson, but you don't want your face, how many of you like, oh, I need to record that, but I don't want anyone to see me? Okay, so you can do that with the BenQ board. You can record your lesson and then just upload it real quick for your students. All right, so there's tons of options in Curipod. So I'm gonna give you just a second to look at it and see which one that you might want to play with next. So it should be on your phones. Yes, if you want to come try any of these, you can come to the Curipod booth. They have a BenQ board over there as well. So they'll let you do the interactive part and play with it. So if there's one of these lessons that we don't get to and you want to see what it looks like, you can do that. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. And then it gave me a poll. Okay, so what I like to do with my kids at the end of class is I like to throw in, you can create this, it's AI generated, but you can also customize it. So like if there's like 3 different fun parts, I let the kids vote on it, and then Curipod's an easy way to do it. All right, so I'm gonna end my lesson, and I wanna show you just the basics. Oh, I can also see the participation. And on here, this is the teacher screen, so it's gonna give you the names put in. So if somebody is not doing what they're doing, and you can collect this data and share it out. All right, home screen, super easy platform. Super easy, okay? One, what are you teaching next is a great way to do it. There's writing, reading comprehension, AI feedback. If you're Texas, they have a great STAR prep. They just did a STAR course that's available for them to do as well with STAR training on that. Excellent. They have so many teacher resources. Test, prep, make fun, wow, daily routines, full lesson, brain breaks, Curipod. How many of you have already spent hours and made your own lessons? Okay. You can actually go into Curipod My Lessons. I'm not signed into my account on this board, so I can't tell you, but I can just kind of show you. But you go to Curipod My Slides, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna upload, I use Canva, I drag and drop it in here, and it's gonna read my Canva slides, and it's gonna make interactive lessons with it. And then I can customize those. So if you already have the lessons, but you want the students to have that interactive piece, you can do that with Curipod, doing Curipod My Lessons. It does take and keep up with it. You have your reports, you can pull. Very simple platform to use, okay? The AI on it, so whenever you put in, I'm just gonna do this one real quick. Oh, that was one already created, hold on. I wanna create a new one. Let's do vocabulary and grammar. Oh, I haven't seen this one before. Okay, there's new ones like all the time. Not me. I didn't do it. All right, so I'm gonna pick my grade level. We'll just do 5th. I'm gonna throw in some words. Running, summer, fun, okay? And then it generates it with AI real quick, so then you have your lesson. Oh, hold on, I hit the roll. And then whenever I go through to present, it's in there. Now you can go in and customize and make it easy for you, but in just minutes, I just put in and it created it. Right as soon as using this word, running. And y'all see, it's very open-ended. And if there's something that you dream of that you wish that Curipod would do and it doesn't, you just email Curipod and they are just like magic. They're like, yeah, we got you. So they're always looking and listening to teachers. They put classrooms and students first. So I love Curipod. So, all right, thank you so much. If you have questions, I'm here. Like I said, the Curipod booth is over there as well. The BenQ board has made it super easy, like I said, to record those lessons. You can come in and write out there, and it's easy.